Hi, I'm Howard from Crazy Tech, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of a Gudeholo USB microphone. And I received it to review. Cool, there it is, nicely boxed, and we're going to have to continue taking the wrapper off. This is a $40 USB cardioid microphone, and comes with a scissor arm and a stand and a pop filter and a wind filter. No, there it is. Oh, nothing there. Okay. There it is. There's your instructions, information about the frequencies. Go through what's in the package. This is your pop filter. I've reviewed the 5-Fine and the Maono USB microphones, and the parts look very similar. Microphone, very nicely bagged. Microphone has a volume control, volume gain control, and a mute button. There's your wind filter. Comes with a small desk stand. There's your scissor arm. Looks very similar to all the other microphones I've reviewed. There's your shock mount with the connection that connects to the microphone. There's the desk mount. This mounts on the desk up to about 2 inches, and of course the scissor arm connects through here. And this is a cable that connects your microphone USB to, this is almost like a printer connector. It's a pretty hefty microphone though. The desktop mount. And as with all the other boom arms, this metal connector mounts into the shock mount. The frequency response is 30 Hertz to 20,000 Hertz, and that's fairly common. And now I'll come back later on and test the different volumes or gains with different distances. I'm Howard from Crazy Tech. If you want to subscribe, the subscribe button is right over there.